you dreaming of building an international career in hospitality? Before you apply, let's quickly make sure you're the perfect candidate and 100% eligible for our programs. You're a great fit if you're at least 18 years old, have a background or strong interest in hospitality, can communicate professionally in English, and are serious about gaining international experience. But beyond the requirements, we're looking for motivated, professional, and committed candidates, people who are ready to grow, learn, and represent themselves confidentially in front of top hospitality employers. If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. So let me show you exactly how to apply step by step. All you need is your phone or laptop, a stable internet connection, and your updated CV saved as a PDF. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Placement International. Open our official profile and then tap the Linktree link in our bio. This is the quickest way to access the correct application pages, programs, and career fairs, all in one place. Next, you'll see options to help guide you to the right page. Search for your country, then select the option that applies to you. This step is important because it connects you with the right team based on your location, so you get the correct information and faster follow-up. Now, look for the career fair you're interested in. We usually have multiple opportunities available, so take a second to choose the one that fits your goals. If you are interested to apply for a job offer, scroll down directly to the form and choose the option Explore our top hospitality partners in the first field. Then select the option below that matches what you want to apply for, and once you're on the form, fill it out carefully and accurately. Make sure your contact details are correct, because this is how our team will review your profile and reach out to you. You are almost done. Upload your most updated CV in PDF format. Keep it professional, clean, and easy to read. Clear headings, strong experience details, and no messy formatting. Once everything looks correct, click Apply Now. And that's it! You've officially submitted your application. So follow these simple steps and you're already one step closer to building the hospitality career that you've been working for. If you found this video helpful, save it so you can follow it later, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments or send us a message because we are here to help you. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you in the next video.